Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. 2 days back, I had been at Hyderabad on my personal work, of course. There, I saw a news item in the Times of India, maybe on 24th or 25th. I don't remember the date exactly. It has been a box item in the press that a woman advocate, I don't want to name her, was given fists or fist blows by a man advocate due to maybe some political disputes, maybe personal vendetta, but it happened in Malkajgiri Medchal District Court. Malkajgiri Court. Of course, Malkajgiri is an area to Secunderabad, even though district you call it as Medchal, but it is in Hyderabad city itself. So, final year students, please let me know your opinion whether it amounts to misconduct or not. This is the question straight away. Advocates quarreling with each other and involving in fist fight, will it amount to misconduct or not? What is the advantage of, or what is the use of telling the people in the college about the 7 lamps of advocacy? In the 7 lamps of advocacy, I told you regarding the fellowship. No doubt, you may be opponents in the court. One advocate may support the client. The other advocate may support the defendant, plaintiff or defendant. But there may be fierce arguments in the court. There may be voracious cross-examination in the court. But once you come out and meet in the canteen, out of the premises of the court, then both of you are fellows, both of you are companions, both of you are friends, both of you are the birds of the same family. This you have to maintain. Right, now as far as this case is concerned, definitely I am sure that it amounts to misconduct. Please remember, in the case of State of Punjab versus Ram Singh, 1992, Supreme Court explained the term misconduct. Of course, I told you that the word misconduct has not been defined in the Advocates Act, but Supreme Court defined, please remember. So, in connection with the misconduct, that is what is misconduct, please remember, involving in moral turpitude. Normally in police department, the department moral turpitude activities are more. So, if you touch a woman, if you outrage the modesty of a woman, or if you beat your wife, all these things they will involve in moral turpitude. Second, an improper or wrong behavior. So, what are ethics? What for we are telling ethics? Because you have to behave properly as an advocate in the society. But if you behave improperly, or if you behave irregularly, or if you conduct yourself in a wrong way, it is amounting to misbehavior. Then unlawful behavior. Then willful in character. So if you know that it is wrong, but if you do it, definitely it's a misconduct. And doing a forbidden act. So normally we know what is offense. Offense is doing or not following. So the forbidding act. Doing the forbidden act is an offense. So please remember, a transgression of established and definite rule of action or code of conduct. So there is a code of conduct for the advocates. If you transgress, that means if you actually exploit, or if you do not follow the code of performance of duty, definitely it is also misconduct. Then carelessness or negligence construed carelessness or negligence in the performance of duty. So normally in the law of torts we will be telling about negligence or carelessness. It can be taken as a tort, but here it can be taken as a misconduct also. So please remember, the statute and the public service purpose. You are doing some service to the society. So it is defining the so-called misconduct. Now we have digressed to some extent on the point of misconduct. We have left the main case. So here the main case is The woman advocate, she is a supporter of the BJP, and she has contested as a corporator on BJP in Malkajgiri area. Of course, she was not successful. The other advocate, so male advocate, he is a supporter of the present TRS government in the Telangana state. There may be differences, political differences between them, and of course, when she filed a case, this man had already actually spoken some harsh words against her, and there are no terms between them. Ultimately, on the fateful day of 24th or 25th, when both of them came eye to eye contact, came against each other, this trouble has come. So she has actually, the photo of her was also published in the Times of India. She has developed a black eye, and a kannu baga ubipoyi kinda nallaga vastundi. That is what is called black eye. She has given a report. Of course, some kind of Malkajgiri police, maybe they have registered a case, but what can they register? Maybe under 324. That's all. Not 324 or the 323, I think. Whatever it is, they register a case. As a counterclash, this advocate has also, the male advocate has also given a case. Now the police will sit on the investigation. Of course, they may take some more time to decide the matter. But whether the police decide the matter or not is not important. Here, my emphasis on professional misconduct. Please do not pick up quarrels. May not indulge in fist fights. Do not indulge in murders. So I told Hikmat Khan versus Ishwar Prasad Arya. In that case, already you should not carry weapons. Or UP Sales Tax Association versus Taxation Bar Association. In that case, also I told you, you should not be armed with a weapon. That gentleman, that Gupta, he went to the court armed with a pistol, and when the judge asked him, he said, Your Honor, I want to keep it for private defense, which is not correct. These are all the things which amount to professional misconduct. So do not I request you with folded hand that do not indulge in such activities. So definitely, please remember, the legal profession is an honorable profession. It is a noble profession. So do not do anything that brings disgrace to the profession. With these few words, I want to put a full stop, and I hope all of you will become ethical advocates. At least my students will become ethical advocates. Thank you very much.